All right, so we are out here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And man, we had a good ride up. The morning was pretty damn cold, but we decided to leave a little later. We were gonna leave at 4 o'clock. But we said, why we're gonna leave that early when we're not in a hurry? We're still early. We got the hotel, everything is checked in. Let me show you the bikes that we rode on. All right, so we out here, man. The whole point of this thing is about having fun. That's the whole point. If you in a club and you can't have fun with your bros or your sis, it's not a good thing. You want to have fun. Spend less time politicking, more time riding, more time hanging out. Not everybody's going to be able to ride their motorcycle at the same time. People's schedules is different. But the time that matters is the time that you spend together. I don't care if you're spending time on the road, time in a freaking movie theater, time bowling, time playing pool, time watching TV, watching a movie. I don't care what it is. You just got to have a good time doing that. All right? Let's go.
Can't accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. There's a little bit of madness to my method. Many falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to be. When by any means, only thing that makes sense to me, I can make nice or make history. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, any up. I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark. I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up? Yeah, so what's up? I told her move over. Enough of that mediocre, I've been the man since cruising around in the stroller. I got ice in my veins like a cut in Minnesota. Why not show you how I'm built? Come a little closer, ayy. Lot of heart, been smart, aura got a glow. We can restart, give head start, still get the same result. I'm about mine, don't you get it confused. I'ma win again, yeah, that's all that I do. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, any up. I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark. I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up? Yeah, so what's up? They don't get it. I'm different. I'm the type to break through the door, tear down the wall, start up a war. They don't get it. They don't get it. It ain't clear. Probably think that you might, but you never see a bitch like me. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, any up. I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark. I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up? Yeah, so what's up?
Yeah, we down here in Tennessee. We got our old school riders having their event. We down here with Bred representing the whole squad. And let me tell you, it's always good to see the people down here, man. You know what I'm saying? Support is what we do. Support is what we do.
He gonna come right beside you, and your bike, and he gonna do a bike blessing with you.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, it's our bike blessing today. And plus we
All right, guys. This is what it's about, man. It's about getting out, enjoying that time. I'm trying to tell you guys, when y'all think about the MC, it's a whole lot of things that y'all don't really take the time to understand, you know? But let me show y'all the bikes. I'm gonna let y'all be mad. Look, goings. For all of y'all that be getting mad when you see gold wings. I don't get mad, I love them. Yo, I never seen a Victory trike. Yeah, I've never seen one of those. That's a nice looking trike. Yeah, it's 4:15 in the morning, and we out here getting ready to head back up to Georgia. And when I tell you it's gonna be a cold and long ass ride, it's gonna be a cold and long ass ride.